I'm Trapper Hallam, one of the instructional technology coaches here at UCS. I'm proud to present this brief overview of the scheduling process. This video is intended for 10th and 11th grade students and parents. If you're a current 9th grade student, we've created a video just for you. Use the link in the description below to access the video. This video will help to provide a clear understanding of the basic path to graduation. Students have already received a more in-depth explanation through classroom visits and conversations with their counselors. This is intended to be a broader overview for families where we will cover credit requirements, both the number of credits and types, as well as providing checkpoints at each grade level. I will also point out when additional options are available within those course requirements that you may want to consider while scheduling. Thank you for taking the time to review this video. When we're done, if you have additional questions, please head over to the UCS website under Academics and then Secondary for all your scheduling resources that we have made available for you, including all of our curriculum guides. The only way to know where you need to go is by knowing where you are. And to that end, let's talk about credits first. All UCS students, apart from the students attending the Jean L. Clyda Academy for International Studies, have the opportunity to earn 24 credits over their 4 years here at Utica Community Schools. Utica Community School Board of Education policy requires that students earn at least 22 credits to graduate. For current 10th grade students, you should have at least 7 credits to be on track to graduate, and well be on your way to earning 3 credits this second semester of your sophomore year by passing your current courses. As you can see in the math on the slide, you're on track to make the minimum of 22 credits. Current juniors should have at least 13 credits at the start of their second semester to be on track. As you can see from the math on the screen, the 13 credits, in addition to 3 potential credits from this semester, means that you're on track to reach a minimum of 22 credits to graduate. As you review the number of credits earned to this point in your high school career, you also need to review the type of credit that you're earning to verify that they meet the Michigan Merit Curriculum requirements. Let's take a closer look at that. For the English Language Arts curriculum, students need to earn 4 credits over their 4 years at UCS. Most students will take English 9 through English 12. There are additional courses, though, the students can take advantage of to meet these requirements. Taking a closer look at our social studies curriculum requirements, we see that students are required to take 3 credits. With those 3 credits, students need to take 1 credit of history, 1 credit of world history, as well as a half a credit of government and a half a credit of economics. While this is what a majority of students will take, there are additional course options available to meet these credit requirements. Next, let's take a look at the science curriculum. Students need to complete 3 science credits. Of these 3 credits, 1 credit must be in biology and 1 credit in either chemistry or physics. The 3rd credit can be earned in any other science course. Don't forget that these courses and all of the course offerings can be found on the UCS website as mentioned earlier. Similar to the other curriculums we have already explored, there are additional options that you can take to meet these credit requirements. Mathematics is next. In mathematics, all students are required to take 4 credits to graduate, and that must include geometry, algebra 1, algebra 2. The final mathematics course can be either an additional math course or any one of our math-related courses in your senior year. For these math-related courses to meet the requirements, they must be taken only during the senior year. As stated before, there are additional course options available to meet these credit requirements. Moving on to our health and physical education credit requirements, we find that all students are required to take a half credit of health and a half credit of physical education. Again, feel free to reference our resources to see the additional course options available to meet these credit requirements. Next, we find that students must earn at least 1 credit in a wide array of courses that fit under the Visual Performing and Applied Arts, or VPAA, heading. Our final curriculum requirement can be found in world language. All students are required to earn 2 credits in the same world language. As with all of our other curriculum requirements, there are additional course options available to meet these credit requirements. All of the graduation requirements that we have discussed thus far have involved curriculum. One important requirement that is non-curriculum related involves state assessments. UCS students must participate in state assessments during their junior year of high school. No need to have any concern about this, as we will share a lot of information regarding testing as we get closer to the testing window. I'm sure you've heard me mention that there are alternative course selections and opportunities available to meet the Michigan Merit credit requirements. Now is a good time to elaborate on these opportunities, which include advanced placement, dual enrollment, and personal curriculum. Advanced placement courses, also known as AP, offer students the opportunity to take college courses and earn college credits in high school. To earn college credit, you will need to take the exam associated with your course and earn a score of 3, 4, or 5. Additionally, if you take an AP course, if you successfully complete the class, 0.5 will be added to your earned GPA points. For example, if you earn a B in the class, the original GPA points is 3.0. It will now, though, be 3.50. Dual enrollment is an opportunity for students to enroll and attend a college course at college or a university campus to earn college credit and/or graduation credit. This will not only allow students to get a head start on their degrees, but also expose them to the rigors of a college course. UCS will provide monies towards the tuition, mandatory courses, or material fees and graduation fees. Personal curriculum is an option to modify specific credit requirements based on your plans after high school. This option is designed to provide you the opportunity to accelerate or go beyond the Michigan Merit curriculum, or individualized learning requirements to ensure you meet the Michigan Merit curriculum requirements. As I said, knowing where you are is the only way to move forward. And to that end, you can use the UCS graduation checklist coupled with your grade history from PowerSchool as a powerful combination to see where you are on your credit journey. Additionally, leveraging the resources available on the UCS website can help to provide a complete picture of the scheduling process. The UCS webpage can be accessed by typing uticak12.org into the URL of your browser. Next, scroll over to Academics and then click on Secondary. On this page, we've compiled all of the resources you will need to complete the scheduling process. The first link will provide you a complete list of the UCS graduation requirements in one single document. Next, you will find the graduation checklist that you can use to see how many credits you have so far. Continuing down the list, you'll find the course selection documents, and below that, we will find all of the curriculum guides. While students are going to be entering course selections on their own, counselors will follow up and review those choices and electives. They will also be discussing the credit requirements, ensuring that students are on track to finish on time. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance with any of these resources I've shown here, please see your counselor. At this point, you should be almost ready to start the scheduling process. We've given you an overview of the credit requirements, discussed alternate course opportunities, you've had a meeting or discussion with your counselor, and you reviewed the available resources on the UCS webpage. But we want to leave you with a few more tips to ensure you have a successful scheduling experience. Do your research by reviewing the curriculum guides to better understand the courses and scheduling. Make sure you review your schedule with your parents and/or guardian, as the best decisions come from research, discussion, and reflection. Double check that you've not only entered your top choices, but multiple alternatives, as sometimes there are conflicts, and scheduling a great alternative class is key to making sure that you're getting your ideal schedule. Obtain and use the commitment form to sign up for all AP, honors, and accelerated courses. Be mindful of the scheduling due date, and that you have your form completed and ready in advance. And remember, add no more than 2 gym classes to your schedule. Now the ball is in your court. It is time to enter those course requests into PowerSchool. We have created a separate video to show you how to do this step by step. You can find the link to the video in the description below, the link above, or on the UCS website. Be sure to view the video before you begin this process. If you have any additional questions, be sure to consult with your counselor or school administrators. We hope this has been a helpful primer for parents and a review for students to help get the scheduling season underway. Scheduling classes is all about opportunity and about helping students to empower themselves to positively transform their future and their world. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.